Okay, so now we are going to learn about how to say sometimes, always, never, and a few extra words. So let's give it a try. The first word we have is a veces, which means sometimes. A veces, sometimes. A veces. And the second one is siempre, which means always. Siempre. Always. Siempre. And the third one is nunca, which means never. Nunca. So, a veces, sometimes, siempre, always, and nunca, never. Nunca. Okay, let's try some examples. So the first example. A veces llevo falda al trabajo. Sometimes I wear a skirt to work. Y a veces llevo pantalones. And sometimes I wear pants. So, a veces llevo falda al trabajo. Y a veces llevo pantalones. So sometimes I wear a skirt to work and sometimes I wear pants. So falda means skirt. Trabajo means work. Pantalones means pants. Okay, next one. Okay. A veces los perros duermen adentro de la casa. Y a veces duermen afuera. So, a veces los perros duermen, sometimes dogs sleep, adentro de la casa, inside the house. Y a veces, and sometimes, duermen afuera. They sleep outside. So, this one is long, but I think you can understand this by now. Okay, the next example. En este país siempre hace calor. So siempre, always. In this country, it's always hot. En este país siempre hace calor. In this country, it's always hot. And the next one. El azúcar siempre es dulce. Sugar is always sweet. El azúcar siempre es dulce. Sugar is always sweet. And the next example. A veces, sometimes, a veces jugamos fútbol en la escuela. Sometimes we play soccer at school or in school. Y a veces basketball. And sometimes basketball. So, a veces jugamos fútbol en la escuela. Y a veces basketball. So sometimes football, sometimes basketball. Okay, let's try the next question. Yo nunca como carne. Soy vegetariana. I never eat meat. I'm vegetarian. So vegetariano means vegetarian, and it depends if you're male or feminine or female. Vegetariano ends with an O, vegetariana ends with an A. So vegetariano male, vegetariana female. Okay, one more time. Yo nunca como carne. Soy vegetariana. I never eat meat. I'm vegetarian. And the next example. Nunca digas no puedo. Never say I can't. Nunca, never. Nunca digas no puedo. Never say I can't. And the next example. Nunca he ido a España. I have never been to Spain. Nunca, nunca he ido a España. I have never been to Spain. And another example. A veces vamos a la playa en el verano, pero nunca al bosque. So a veces, sometimes, we go to the beach in the summer, but never to the forest. And one more time. A veces vamos a la playa en el verano. Pero, but, nunca al bosque. Never to the forest. And another one. Siempre, always. Siempre comemos tacos en el desayuno. Pero nunca tamales. We always eat tacos for breakfast, but never tamales. So tamales are this type of this Mexican or Latin American food, which is basically what is it? That's a good question. So a lot of there. So it's basically so they can put maybe meat or pork or chicken, and in Mexico some families like eating this in Christmas. So they're made from flour. And in my family, we would eat it for Christmas, or sometimes whenever my grandma wanted to make them, we would just eat them for lunch or breakfast. But yeah, so these ones, if you ever go to a Latin American country or Mexico, you can eat some tamales. They're actually very good. They're one of my favorite food. Okay, so that's it for this one, and thanks for watching. So now it's your turn to practice Spanish. You can find the lessons Quizlet by going into the lecture resources folder. Thanks for watching.